Strap them kids and give them a little bit of vodka. Sherry, Coke, they're going to Oklahoma to the family reunion for the first time in years. Except that Uncle Slayton's cousin is getting on in years. You know, he no longer travels, but he's still pretty.
If there's any way you could give me a budget of how to get out of that, while maybe keeping a small budget so I could keep buying pre-made meals.
Okay, I'm a little bit. I'm not. Dr. John Deloney's not here, so I don't know how. I don't understand how OCD keeps you from cooking your meal. Matter of fact, it ought to make you good at it.